So when you walk by every night, talking sweet and looking fine, I get kinda hectic inside. Baby, I'm so into you, darling, if you only knew all the things that flow through my mind. But it's just a squeeze.
What I have installed today is a 26-inch 13x4 the wavy blonde khaki highlight wig, and the density is 180%. Even though it's transparent, I would say it's more like a HD transparent lace. So this wig comes pre-styled already, pre-plucked hairline, and it is a glueless wig, so it does have a glueless band inside. And it also has like a little breathable section in the top because, you know, outside is hot. If you're about to be outside, you need a comfortable wig that you're not going to sweat off.
Finally, a flame I couldn't shake, a love I couldn't make out of the places I've been escaping. Time you didn't fake it, I've been saying